How do you film with drones in strong winds? Imagine trying to capture a smooth, steady shot while the wind is howling around you. It might seem impossible, but with the right techniques and gear, you can still get great footage. When the wind picks up, your first step is to pick a drone built to handle gusty conditions. Look for models with stronger motors and aerodynamic frames. These features help the drone stay stable and resist being pushed around. Checking the drone's wind resistance rating before flying is a smart move. Some drones are rated for winds up to 20 miles per hour or more. Adding propeller guards can also help protect the blades and improve stability during flight. When you start flying, face the drone into the wind. This way, the propellers work with the wind rather than against it, giving you better control. Flying lower is another good tip because wind speeds tend to increase with altitude. Use natural windbreaks like trees, buildings, or cliffs to shield the drone from gusts. Keep your control movements smooth and deliberate. Jerky or quick inputs can cause the drone to drift or wobble. Slow down your flying speed to give the drone more time to respond. Take advantage of built-in stabilization features like gimbal stabilization and GPS hold. These tools help keep your camera steady even when the drone is buffeted by wind. Planning your flight path is also key. Start by flying into the wind on the way out when the drone's battery is fully charged. Then, return with the wind at your back to save power. Keep a close eye on your battery levels and be ready to land early if needed. For action sports, where subjects move fast and unpredictably, it's often better to set the drone in a stable position and let the action come to you. If following a fast-moving athlete, make sure you have advanced flying skills and know your drone's limits. Always have a plan for emergencies. Know where safe landing spots are and be ready to cut motors if control is lost. Saving GPS coordinates can help you find the drone if it drifts away. After filming, use video stabilization software to smooth out any shaky footage caused by wind. This step can make your final videos look much more professional. Remember, safety always comes first. Flying in strong wind can be risky, so stay alert and prepared. With the right gear, techniques, and planning, you can still capture exciting, high-quality action shots even in challenging weather.